In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Zoho Mail password, in case you've forgotten it, or simply want to update it for security reasons. Let's dive right in and take you step by step through the process so you can regain access to your account quickly and easily. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Mail login page. You can usually find this by heading over to accounts.zoho.com or by visiting www.zoho.com/mail/login HTML. Once you're at the login page, take a moment to locate the Forgot Password link. It's typically easy to spot, often found near the password entry field. Simply click on it to start the password reset process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your account information. Zoho will ask for some key details, such as your registered email address, mobile number, or username. Additionally, as part of their security protocols, you might need to solve a CAPTCHA. This step is essential to verify that it's indeed you requesting the password change and not any automated bots. Now, it's time to choose your preferred method for verification. Zoho typically provides you with options to reset your password, either via an email link sent directly to your inbox or a verification code that will be sent to your mobile phone. Both options are secure, so choose whichever method you find most convenient. After making your choice, it's important to follow the instructions carefully. If you've opted for the email option, head over to your email inbox. Don't forget to check your spam or junk folders just in case the email lands there. On the other hand, if you chose the SMS option, check your phone for the verification code. Once you have the necessary information, either follow the instructions provided in the email or enter the verification code on the Zoho website. You'll then be directed to a page where you can set a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure, ideally combining letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure your account remains protected. After entering your new password, it's important to confirm it by entering it again. This is just to make sure there aren't any typing errors. Once you're satisfied, click to save the changes. With your new password now set, you can log back into your Zoho Mail account. Simply use your updated password and you'll be able to access all the features and functionalities you're accustomed to. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Zoho Mail password. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to secure your accounts by updating passwords regularly.